Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off your TV and your PlayStation at the same time. And this will also turn on your TV and the PlayStation at the same time, and it's going to be completely linked. So on my PlayStation 5, I want to go up to the top to go to Settings, and then go on down to System. And we are looking for a setting called HDMI Device Link. So let's go to System, then go to HDMI. And here is Enable HDMI Device Link. And then here's One Touch Play. If you turn on your PS5, the Connect device will also turn on and switch its input to the PlayStation 5. Then here we have Enable Power Off Link. If you turn off the device connected to your PS5 will enter rest mode. So enable all three of these settings right here. Then do the same thing on your TV. So let's go to the home screen. Then go on over to Settings, and I am on an Amazon Fire TV, but your TV should be similar. Go to Display and Sound. And then go to these settings and look for something called HDMI CEC Device Control. And this allows me to take control of capable devices with my TV remote. So let's select this and make sure we have something called Power Control turned on. Use your TV to turn on or off connected devices. Then Remote Control Pass-Through. Use your TV remote to control devices from other inputs. So that is how I'm able to control my PS5 with my TV remote. Alright, so I'm going to go to the home screen, and I'm going to turn off my PlayStation 5 by pressing the power button on my TV. So let's go to Inputs and go over to my input for my PS5, Gaming Consoles right here. Now I'm going to press the power button, and my PS5 and TV will turn off at the same time. So let's press the power button, and my PS5 is on the right. And you can see my PS5 is turning off. The light is blinking, it's going into the rest mode. And then I can easily press the power button on my PS5 and TV will turn on at the same time, and it should switch over to my PS5 input. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSix Studios.